Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to share an interesting recipe with you, after which you won't waste money on buying organic fertilizers. Before you start mowing the grass, it would be a good idea to check and sharpen the lawnmower blade. I removed the blade from the lawnmower. I will sharpen it with a file, which is the simplest and fastest way to sharpen it. And now a little bit of whetstone. Done. I put the blade back on the lawnmower. Do you have dry patches on your lawn? Try my remedy, which will get rid of them and make your lawn green and fresh. Let's mow the lawn with a lawnmower. We need fresh cut grass. All right, we have some grass. Now you will need a container. I took a bucket to put the grass in. I fill the bucket 1/3 full with grass. That's enough. Now you need to heat the water so that you can dissolve the ingredients. I needed warm water, so I diluted boiling water with cold water. Now we take out the secret ingredient. Just kidding. It's just regular sugar that we added to the water. We only need 3 large spoons. The second ingredient is yeast. We will need 1 packet. I pour the entire packet into water with sugar. Now I need to stir this liquid. To do this, I will make a small device. I think you know how it works. Now mix the resulting liquid with the grass. Sugar and yeast are needed for fermentation, which is necessary for fertilization. Pour water over the grass completely. Cover with plastic wrap on top. You can cover it with a lid, but not too tightly. Do not cover it completely. I made the holes. I would also like to mention that if you do not want to add yeast, you can do without it, but the fermentation process will take longer. 2 days later, I opened the package. The smell isn't very pleasant, but that's normal. You need to strain the liquid, so I took a fine mesh strainer. Grass contains nutrients and nitrogen for your garden, lawn, and plants. I will fertilize my lawn because I have dry patches. To do this, I dilute the solution with water in a ratio of 1 to 10. I will spray it using a sprayer. I also add it to flowers. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I will tell you many more secrets.